In this third video, we are going to make some sense out of our sidebar and our footer. And we're going to use widgets for that. But before we get into widgets, first we have to install a very important plugin. So we go to plugins and we say add new. And the plugin that we want is called JetPack. Now JetPack is created by WordPress.com and it contains a lot of powerful tools that once we have installed it will automatically populate our website. So we go to install now and we say yes, and it's going to copy from WordPress.com a lot of files onto our blog site. We can activate the plugin right away, but before it is functioning we need to create an account with WordPress.com. Now, creating an account with WordPress.com is free, and I can definitely recommend because it gives you a lot of extras. I have already got an account for Brand React, so I just need to authorize the JetPack. Once the JetPack is authorized, it actually has a whole bunch of features that are already installed. Now, I can go directly to settings and I can install one other feature which is called likes, and I want to activate this. This is going to bring me a bar with a bunch of like buttons at the bottom, and it also is going to connect my WordPress to my Facebook and Twitter accounts and other social media accounts if I want to. So I have activated likes. Now I need to configure it, and basically I want to show an icon and text, share this. I want to do this with posts and pages, makes sense. Brand React is my site tag. I want to do it for every post so I can save the changes. Now I have to connect to Facebook. So pressing connect will take me to Facebook. I am already logged into Facebook with the right account, but I need to find my Brand React page here because that is the one that I want to connect to my blog, and all connections for all users can be connected here. And by some miracle, Twitter was connected already as well. So I have now connected Facebook and Twitter as Brand React. Now we can make some sense out of our sidebars. Because if I show you the website as it looks now, you see that here at the bottom we have some random information, and here on the side there is nothing yet. So we're going to rectify that now by going into widgets. The main widget area is the footer section of the site, as you can see. Now in the footer section we want to have mostly our name, address and phone number. I've already typed this in, and one word of warning is that you need to type in HTML here. So I need to type in a break to make it start on a new line. Everything you type in a text widget here has to be HTML. Now, I don't really want to show categories, so I just moved that out. I think recent comments I don't really want to see. The search I would like to see in my sidebar, because that is something useful at the top of my screen, because that is something that people would go for if they had a chance. The metadata I don't want to see, and maybe I will put in my sidebar the recent posts, because it provides an extra link on the screen directly to the latest posts. Now up here we have some new widgets that came with JetPack, and most notably here we have the Facebook like box. So we're going to put the Facebook like box right there, and we need to configure it. So we call it brand react. The Facebook page URL is http://fb.com. You know that that's the abbreviation for facebook.com that not many people know about. And then brand react is the name of our page. I know that the sidebar in this theme is 300 pixels, so I'll make it a little bit bigger, and I say save. The other thing I want is my Twitter feed. So here's my Twitter timeline, which I can drag to my sidebar as well. I'll put it under the Facebook. I will configure it. I will give it 300 width as well. 400. I will show 4 tweets. Now comes the tricky part. It is asking for a widget idea. You need to create a widget at twitter.com and then enter your widget idea, the long number found in the URL of your widget config page in the page below. Well, okay, let's see how difficult this can be. So create a widget, click on there. I see a button here that says create a widget. Okay, click on it. And then I see here, I see exactly what I need, because this is the number that I want. Now Twitter just wants me to copy this whole thing and put it in a separate text box. I just want to use it in JetPack, so I really only need this this number, but I will just Control C or Command C if you're on a Mac, copy, and I will paste this into the widget ID field here. Control V or Command V. And basically all I need to do is find that number, which can't be too difficult. Yeah, they put a lot of stuff in there. This part I don't need. There's my number. Delete. And this part I don't need. So there, I got this number. You can paste it in a text file and copy the number out of there. I'm just a little bit lazy, so it works like that as well. The rest I'm just going to keep standard, so I just save it. And then basically, when we look at our brand react.net site, it looks completely different. Okay, it looks like our Facebook URL is incorrectly configured. So we gotta check that one. But the Twitter thing worked. You see here I have 4 tweets that were apparently the last tweets that were tweeted from this account. I need to go back to widgets, and I need to Oh boy, the Facebook page URL. He didn't like my fb.com shortcut, I'll bet you. That would be funny if JetPack didn't know that Facebook.com is actually fb.com. So let's see if that was the problem. Oh yes, it was. Well, there is my like box. You can see some of your friends that like the page, that like Brand React already. And you can follow me on Twitter if you like.